Good afternoon, guys and girls. It's time to get started on our next project. The next project in the shop is this 2024 GMC Sierra HD Ultimate Package, 200 miles on the odometer, brand new, top of the line, every bell and whistle that you could get. The one thing they forgot is to upgrade the suspension. The only way you can upgrade the suspension on these trucks factory is with the AT4X package, and then you get the Multimatic DSS V shocks. Super nice, super great, but this one comes with the standard Rancho shocks, torsion key, standard upper control arm, not known for their ride quality. Well, we're gonna change that today with this Cognito 3-inch Elite kit that comes with Elka shocks that are adjustable, reservoir, upper control arms by Cognito, torsion keys by Cognito, and their pivot arm, idler arm steering kit, which is gonna make this thing drive straight as an arrow, steer with your pinky, hold your champagne in the other hand. So we can get this thing done before the weekend. Let's get to work. Okay, just to go over a couple of these components that are factory before we start installing the aftermarket Cognito Elka components. First off is this Rancho shock, pretty base model, not the first one I would have chose for any vehicle, especially the Denali HD Ultimate, so that's got to go. Upper control arms, they are not bad stock, they are forged, so good control arms for factory use, but the main complaint is the clearance to the frame bump stop. That will cause a rough ride the more you turn the keys up. So we're going to fix all that with the Cognito upper control arms. It has a heavy duty ball joint, doesn't need any grease, doesn't need anything. Once you install them, you're good for life. Next thing would be the torsion keys. There's nothing really different from the factory keys other than the clocking of the hex that the torsion goes in. That's how you get your lift. Moving forward from there, those torsion keys are going to turn the bars down, which is going to put more pressure on the tie rod ends. When you put more pressure on the tie rod ends down, it's going to put more pressure on the idler arm, steering, pivot arm. Those components will wear out prematurely if you do not reinforce them or replace them with heavy duty components. So let's get to work. All right, well, it's about closing time here. I just finished up the front and rear install on this GMC Sierra HD. As you could see, the front and rear went pretty smooth other than getting these bolts past the wiring harness. That was the most difficult part. I had to grab Tony for that. But other than that, I'm going to do the Pitman arm alarm steering kit in the morning, and we will be able to deliver it then. All right, until then, until next time, thanks for watching.